Hey civics people, this is Mr. Brown. I'm speaking on behalf of myself and the other two civics teachers, Mr. Rhodes and Mrs. Hammer, and we wanted to kind of give you a heads up about what we're doing going forward. And basically every week in a few days, we're going to have a theme, and then based on that theme, you're going to have an assignment. And the assignment will be one of three choices. So you'll look and you'll decide, I got three choices and I'm going to do this assignment. And this is it'll be posted on Classroom. All right. So the theme for this week is political cartoons, which I absolutely love political cartoons. They're a great way to get information. And really a political cartoon is just a way to express an opinion in much the same way as a newscast expresses an opinion or an article expresses an opinion. But the difference is with a political cartoon, the opinion is being expressed through like a scene. Okay, so the cartoonist will draw images, they'll have words, and then you kind of put it together to figure out, well, what is it the cartoonist is saying. So when I look at political cartoons, the first thing I do is I look, okay, who's in this? Is the president in this? Is a member of Congress in this? Is it a Supreme Court justice? I look at, what are the images in general that are not people? So after I look at the images, my next thing to do is look at the words. Are there certain things labeled? Is there a speech bubble? Okay. And once you figure out the words and the images, then your goal is to try to figure out, okay, what's the humor in this political cartoon? Because political cartoons will often use humor to express an opinion. So when you look at these cartoons, the three things you got to do is first, look at the images. Second, look at the words. And three, look at the humor. And after you do all that, you kind of get an idea of what it is the cartoonist is trying to say. I want you to practice a little bit with this. So on the remainder of this slideshow, there will be some political cartoons related to COVID-19. And these cartoons might relate to the election coming up, and how COVID-19 might impact that, or how COVID-19 might impact the economy, or how it might impact society. So I want you to look at the slide and the political cartoon on that slide, and then do the three things. Okay, what's the images? What's the words? What's the humor? And then trying to figure out what the cartoonist was trying to say. And then if you click on the audio link, after you've looked at it yourself, then I'll give you some commentary about what I think the cartoonist is saying. And once you go through these slides, I want you to look at your options for assignments and think about which one you want to do for the week. All right, I hope everybody's doing well, and it's just, I wish we could be in class together, but, this is the best we can do for right now. So, just keep positive and keep doing your work and keep learning.